This camera-shaped house in Karnataka's Belgavi district belongs to Ravi Hongal, a professional photographer. He built this home to express his love for photography. Not only that, can you guess his sons' names? Meet Canon, Nikon and Epson. The house, which is named Click, was built at a cost of 71 lakh rupees. While the first floor has the elements of an Epson printer, the second has the body of a Nikon camera and the third floor has the flash of the Canon camera. The 3 floors represent Ravi's 3 sons. One can also notice a lens, a memory card and a show reel on the exterior of the house. The interior design also includes parts of a camera. Though it took 2.5 years to turn his dream home into reality, Ravi is happy that he has achieved his goal.
By this, you are welcome again once more to photography. Today, I would like to tell you about
position in photography.
Oh, children, this photography is having its own art by which we deliver our feelings. That feelings you feel and do the photography.
Today we will discuss about the composition in photography.
Today, let me tell you about the composition. You are able to see there are so many photographs, and in those photographs you will find each and every photograph is composed properly, and then only we have enlarged it. But what's the composition basically is? Composition is that by which the photograph looks more nice, more beautiful. We are viewing it. But when we are viewing it, at that time, whatever picture is viewing by us, if we are able to project it more nice way, more proper way, then only it gives its importance and we are able to convey the message through it. Now, the composition basically we do with the help of some mathematical or some sensible order. Now I am showing you some picture. In those pictures you will be able to understand that each one photograph is able to give their own view. If you see those pictures one after another, you see these are the pictures by which we are able to get good composition. What do I mean by good composition? Good composition is that by which we can able to get a picture which is presentable. If the picture is presentable, that means that composition eye-catching. That means it is good in order to have a good presentation. Now composition is having its own view. It's not like this that when you click a photograph it will look nice. Every time when you are clicking a picture, you take a picture from the object's right side, left side and straight. By these three you will able to understand those photographs which is appearing on the screen, how it is looking. It may be looking beautiful, it may be not, but in proper composition it says that when you are clicking a picture, rather we are clicking a picture, at that time we should understand the approach of our photograph. Normally in composition it is said that you make a frame everywhere. When you are clicking a picture by the help of your camera or mobile phone camera, you will find there is a place where we are able to view, that is viewfinder. In this type of camera, viewfinder is situated here. You can able to see the viewfinder here also. This is also called viewfinder, and if you open this you will find there is a mirror, it is viewfinder. And in this viewfinder, when you are going to click a picture, at that time you have to remember that composition which you are doing, it should be within a limitation. What do we mean by limitation? Limitation is that suppose it's a frame. In the frame it's having 9 segments. You make 9 equal lines. Equal box. Suppose this is frame in which you are viewing me. In this frame, in frame I am standing in 1/3 place of the frame. 1/3 place of the frame. You might be thinking, if I come in middle, then it will look more nice. Definitely it may look more nice. But what is going to happen when I am going to show you that how to click a picture, how to hold a camera, at that time when you will see this way, basically it's a type of photography which is called artistic approach. Normally we learn that when we click a picture it should be in the middle. You keep your object in middle, but there are different types of object for clicking. You should take care of that when you are showing your expression along with background. You have to take care of this thing, that the picture which is appearing, it should come from a particular point where it should be 1/3 of your whole frame. Now this is the proper place where I am standing, so I will able to make you view of other things. And this is the place where I can stand and speak to you. So rest portion will be vacant. What do I mean to tell you? When the composition take place, when you are composing an object, at that time you keep your object in that place where from it should able to give the view of other place. If I come in middle, then what is going to happen? Every time only you will able to catch the view of middle part. But if it happens that you keep your object, main object at a side in 1/3, then what is going to happen? Along with that object you are able to view all other accessories, all other things which is related to the object. So that is why it is says that it is golden point of our picture. For making a picture we need to have one golden point. It may be 1/3 from the down, 1/3 from the top, 1/3 from the right or from the left. Anyway you can keep, but if it is in this condition, this position, then the visibility, the appeal, the approach is proper in artistic view. That is why if you see all those pictures, which is famous picture, in those the object is in a particular place, object is in 1/3 condition position, by which the picture gives its importance. Okay, so you find out yourself with this for to do some photography. One more thing, you remember that as we take breath for oxygen, the photograph, the picture also need to take some breath. For that we leave some space. It may be this side, that side, or that side, or that side. But you remember, when you click a picture, at that time the face or the motion or the movement is in that side, in which side the photograph's breathing space will be in that side. If I am clicking a picture this way, then I should keep some space at the top. If I am clicking a picture this way, so I should keep some space this side. And you do photography this way, few of the photographs you will able to understand how beautiful the photograph is coming, and you will learn very beautifully. So have a look of few photographs more, and you must use those tricks which I have given earlier in early videos. Use those tricks and do some photography, and you must take part in the competition, that is contest of the month, and you must send your photograph to contest.dpsbokaro@gmail.com every month till 25th. Thank you very much. View those photographs and you try to keep photography. You do photography because practice makes us perfect. You do practice, you will be benefited, and all the best to all of you.
Sophia, future history.
Oh baby, I'm thinking maybe that you were always a piece of shh. You're rubbing your dirt on everyone's skirt. You know how to be a ¿Dónde están tus modales que no aprendiste ni a saludar? Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? Dale, so nice to meet ya. You said we should go and get a room. No. If you wanna turn it on, go get a light bulb, después hablamos.
Baby, just hush the talking and let my loving ease your mind. If love's the game, let's play a million times. Baby, give it to me. I'll be good company. Baby, mi nombre es Jason Derulo. Oh.
If you wanna turn it on, go get a light bulb, después hablamos. If you wanna turn it on, go get a lighter, después bailamos. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Si te doy un beso ya estás a mis pies. Dime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.
Disculpen la ignorancia, nunca quise lastimarte.